beautiful. Hi, my name is Michy. In this video we are going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation in the shade, I don't know, is it being buildable? In the shade Ganache 560R. So, so if you want to see how the foundation wears on my skin and for the complete wear test and review, please keep watching to the end. If you're new here, don't forget to if you're new here and you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And to all the new subscribers, welcome to our family. So let's get on with it. So to prime my face, I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Let me tell you, I'm getting a bigger bottle after this is over. It's so good. I was on the fence about this primer for a while, but yeah. Ooh, sorry about the noise in the background, but the boys are playing in the living room, and this room where I'm shooting the video is right adjacent to the living room. So yeah. So I'm just tapping, tap, because this is how the Hydro Grip Primer is supposed to be applied. I've mainly concentrated it where I get oily most. This on the nose, on my T-zone. So I need to wash my hands. So if you've watched my live, I already used this last night. I tried it in the live, but it was at night. So I was like, maybe I'm not really getting the real how it really looks on my skin. So I decided to do this wear test stroke review, but now it's gray outside, so but we'll still continue. So I have, like mentioned earlier, the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation in the shade Ganache, which is 560, and it has a red undertone. It's a buildable coverage foundation stick. I think the last time I used the foundation stick was back then when I was buying from Black Opal. So I've already, like I mentioned earlier, I used it, but this is how it looks. Very cute. Huda has very good packaging. The only thing is most of her products is not dark girl friendly. If you find something, if you find like your foundation shade in the liquid foundation, you're very lucky. So I'm gonna try this on. You see? To be honest, I don't know if that is a lot or not. And I'm gonna use my brush. It's very flat. I'm going to spray some Fix It Stay Over by MAC. I'm gonna spray it, and then I'm just gonna dab it on. You see how it's being built up on the screen? That you really can't see the red undertone, right? Let's put some for this side. It's a buildable foundation, so if you want more coverage, you just have to apply more. One thing is for sure, I personally cannot see the red undertone. It's not looking red on my skin. But maybe it's too early for me to say. Let me just wait and see how it looks after an hour or so, if it oxidizes or not. Personally, because I'm at home, I'm not going like to highlight. Maybe I'll do. So I'm going to do the rest of my face just how I would do, just a little bit of highlighting and contouring. Then I'll be right back with the complete look. I'm not doing anything extraordinary because I'm at home, and I'm just doing this wear test so that we can see how the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation wears on my skin. And so see you very soon. So this is the complete look. Like I promised you, I've just done a simple bit, and so now it's currently almost 2:45. So let's start with the wear test. And oh, there's one more thing I wanted to say. It really feels very light on the face. This foundation really feels light on the face. Let's see how it's going to wear. We all know I have a very oily face, and then again it's winter, so we'll see how it wears. Yeah, see you in a couple of hours. So I'm back. It's currently 11 p.m. and ladies and gentlemen, I'm a grease ball. I'm a grease ball. I'm so oily, especially my T-zone is oily. My underneath my eyes it's not, because let me tell you, that translucent powder, it works miracles. But all in all, I'm very oily, you can see. So if you are oily like I am, I personally would not be wearing this foundation in the summertime. I would wear it during this autumn winter period. So this is after 8 hours. So the next time I wear this foundation, I'm going to blot it maybe after 4 hours, because the first 4 hours I wasn't looking like this, but the last the oils have come out, and yeah, that's something that I expected because I have oily skin. Anyway, it's currently midnight. It's 11, and today is the 31st. So I'm just going to blot the oiliness, and then yeah, see how it looks. So first of all, so you can see it's only my T-zone. It's only the T-zone that is oily, and my nose. Shiny, 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 shiny. Now, it looks good, right? So I'm just gonna dab on some powder just to make everything matte. And I'm just tapping the MAC finishing powder. Yeah. I just took a little bit, not a lot. There we have it. It looks fresh, looks good. I can go and usher in the New Year's with my neighbors, feeling beautiful. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. By liking the video, you're really helping me to get my videos out there. So thank you very much for watching till the end, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, by the way, Happy New Year.